back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day. I did one of these back in the summertime and you guys seem to really like it, and I've been binge watching these videos lately, especially because it's the new year and I'm looking for some like new healthy recipes. I figured I would do another one of these for you guys. So I've been trying to eat healthier. This week is definitely going to be like more of a detox week. I feel like I've not had like the proper start to my new year yet. It was the new year and then right away I started school and it was like our welcome back week here. So I had to plan a bunch of events for my apartment complex and almost all of them were involving food, and I just like did not have any time to go grocery shopping. So I was eating all of the food that I was getting for these events. And then at the end of that week, Brian actually came into town and has been here for like a full week, and I just didn't go grocery shopping before he came, so we didn't cook anything. We just ate out for literally every meal. I think I literally ate Starbucks for breakfast every single day, which is not the best for you. So I'm definitely in need of a detox week. Not even for just this week. I just need to like eat healthier and really get my shit together. So that's what we're doing today. I went grocery shopping this morning, which is why I got ready before eating breakfast, because normally I get up and that's the first thing that I do, but I had no food. I've not had anything to eat today though, and it's like noon. Very freaking hungry right now. Like literally I'm shaking. So let's go make breakfast. This lighting is like not the greatest. It's really super gloomy outside today. It's literally 37 degrees. I don't know what the fuck is happening because it was 85 this weekend and we didn't even get rain. It's not even like rain brought a cold front through or something like that. It just flipped a switch, went from like a low of 80 to a low of 37, and I don't know why. But anyways, got my rice cake. I think I'm gonna do 2 of these. I think I'm gonna play it by ear and see if I get full after these 2, just because I'm so freaking hungry right now. But it's also really close to lunchtime, so I might just have these 2 for breakfast like I normally do, and then like in an hour have lunch.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
I've never put chia seeds on here before, but chia seeds don't really taste like anything, so I figured I might as well. I'm just gonna take my spoon and kind of sprinkle, that's a lot. Sprinkle some on there. That's probably too much, but that's okay. So yeah, this is gonna be my breakfast. I'm very excited to eat this. I'm so hungry, but because it's so late, I will see you guys back very soon for lunch. All right, you guys, it is definitely time for lunch. It's like 3 p.m. Breakfast filled me up way more than I was expecting it to. I always kind of forget how much I actually get filled up by those 2 rice cakes. They don't look like a lot. They definitely don't feel very heavy when you're eating them, which is nice, but they definitely keep me full for a good amount of time, clearly. But I've just been in here working. I had to get on a call for my job, and then I was helping Brian pick out a thumbnail. Are you going to Publix? Yeah. We've all just been like accidentally not eating because we just don't want to go buy food. And like I said, when Brian was here, we all just kind of ate out, which hurt our wallets. So none of us want to go buy food. But anyways, I'm going to make some gnocchi. I set it out right before I filmed this clip to kind of thaw a little bit. I feel like it cooks better when it's not like fresh out of the freezer. It's stuffed with tomato sauce and mozzarella, which is so good. If you guys watched my Trader Joe's haul, like where I went to Trader Joe's for the first time, I got this and I'm now obsessed with it. So I'm gonna make this. Also, again, I'm gonna apologize for this lighting. It looks like it's nighttime. All money for the pan to heat up. I'm gonna jam to 6 because recently I've been obsessed with it.
Yeah, that didn't work out.
So excited to have a break for boys. You'll never guess who I'm next. I'm so happy you walked in the door. Okay, time to make lunch. Okay, so we don't have any garlic butter at the moment. So I'm just gonna use minced garlic. I'm just do a little drizzle of olive oil. Is that a lot? I don't know. Forks are in the dishwasher, so I'm using a knife to add some garlic. That was actually probably a lot. Oh well. You guys do not even understand how freaking good these smell. This looks so freaking good. I think it's actually gonna be better with like the actual garlic than it is when I make it with the garlic butter. So I'm very excited about this. Okay, so this is gonna be lunch. I know it does not look like a lot, but gnocchi's normally really filling. So I'm gonna start with this, and then I obviously can get more because I still have a bunch left. I know myself, and if I put like a bunch in there, even if I was full, I probably wouldn't stop eating it. So I wanna just eat this, see how I feel after, and then get more because I think sometimes my eyes are bigger than my stomach. Healthy. Okay, so it is now 5:30. I am back in my room. I've just been in here all day long. doing work. But I think I'm gonna get a snack. I'm gonna have some salsa. I've been obsessed with this stuff recently. A little bit of a salsa snob. I used to only ever eat my mom's salsa. Izzy's laughing at me. It takes a little bit of time to make. It's like a lot of ingredients and a lot of chopping and all that kind of stuff. I also wanted just like an easier salsa option, and I've been really liking this one. And then I got these chips from Trader Joe's. They're the sweet potato like crackers. So I'm assuming they're better for you than regular chips are, so I figured I would try these out. I've had the actual chips before, but I've never tried like dipping them in salsa, so I guess we'll see how that goes. Okay, let's see how these are. Oh, really good. Okay, cool. The only reason I was kind of worried is because I remember trying these for the first time and they have like a slight sweet potato taste, but I think when you eat them with the salsa, they just taste like the normal like Tostitos chips, so I'm very happy. Like a little bowl of salsa, and that should be a good snack until I feel like making dinner. All right, you guys, so it is time for dinner. I'm running so late. Leaving for a workout class at 7:15. It is 6:41, but I have to go downstairs, cook this chicken, and then make it into a salad, hopefully in time. And vlogging does not help with me running late. So we're gonna go downstairs to the grill. I just did a chicken cutlet, and then I seasoned it with this lemon pepper seasoning from Lori's. This is my go-to. So I'm gonna go grill this downstairs, and I'm gonna make it into like a salad with spinach and feta. Probably just some like olive oil or something. Very basic, but that's the plan. Okay, I'm praying that these grills actually work because I've been hearing that they're not working, so we'll see. Oh, good. Okay, so back upstairs. I'm gonna pan fry this freaking chicken. I have like 20 minutes. Great. I like giving myself like a good amount of time to cook, so I just can like chill, listen to some music, whatever. I don't have that luxury today. I'm a little bit stressed. Normally if I have like this amount of time, I'll just like grab something really fast, but I don't really have that option.
So vlogging and not cooking is the correct answer in this scenario.
Oh, you're right. I should be cooking, I should not be talking. So I went ahead and cut up the chicken into little pieces, just because I'm making a salad. I figured it'd be easier to cook it this way. Maybe it would cook a little bit faster. So I literally just have some olive oil in this pan, and then obviously I season the chicken with salt and pepper. I also really like to marinate chicken like overnight in Italian dressing. That's super good, but I forgot to get Italian dressing this morning at the store. So we are just gonna go with this. It's going a lot quicker than I thought, so maybe we will actually make it. Can I do it? Do you think I can do it? I just need to throw this on a salad. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. While I'm letting the chicken cook, I'm gonna go ahead and like make the rest of the salad. So I'm gonna do baby spinach, some feta, some olive oil, and then some pesto. I've never made this before. I don't really eat salads, but today's the day. I'm gonna try it. I feel like this sounds really good, and then obviously I'll put the chicken on it. So we will see. Just gonna do a little bit of feta, or this is not feta, this is pesto. I have no idea how this is gonna taste, but we're gonna try it. I think it could be okay. Just added the chicken and some feta. I love cheese, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a lot of feta. That may have been too much, but also you can never have enough feta. I also don't know why I used a spoon. So we're just clearly not doing the greatest today. Okay, and this is gonna be dinner. This actually looks so bomb. I'm very excited to try. I also don't know if I made enough, so I may have to like grab a banana on the way out, but we will try and see how it worked out. Wait. Oh shit, I think I just did something here. For someone who doesn't like salads, this is gonna be a move. This is so good. Oh, this is so good. I really wish I would have made myself more. If you're an eater like me and you just like don't really like to eat salads, definitely recommend trying this one out. Or even if you like salads, try it. I don't know, it's really good. I'm very happy with myself for doing this, and I did it with 10 minutes to spare, so I have time to actually eat before my class. We came to this like s'mores event for Love Your Melon, which is like a thing Izzy's a part of, so this is gonna be my dessert for tonight. What is Love Your Melon? 1, 2, 3, go.
Love Your Melon is an apparel brand. It's dedicated to kids with cancer, and when you buy a beanie, they give a beanie to someone with cancer, their kid. We go to hospitals, we bring them beanies, we have special events with them, and yeah, other stuff.
Link below.
Set mine on fire for the video.
Do it.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh Lord. Cheers. Cheers.